Now you're in Go and you're into your dashboard. And now we want to look at Reading Street, which is our reading curriculum. So I'm going to click on Reading Street. And it's going to give me this. Let's try it again. And again, it's simple if you just have to shut down once and then it'll come up. So it'll give me these two options, for third grade. But I'm just going to click on Realize. And now if your teacher doesn't have anything, you just need to talk to them and they can add the product. So for this student, they can browse. They can look at if there's any assignments for them or also any of their grades of how they've done. So I just want to browse the program right now. Now, Reading Street has so many things and there's just never enough time to get to them. So if you know what unit your child is on, I would never go ahead of what you're working on in class, but I know I'm on Unit 1. And say that we are doing the first unit. So we'll just say week 1. Now, how I look at the days would be day 1 is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But really, I would say that even if it's the first day, you can play some of the games that are on the second day. But let me go through and just tell you what there is. So if I click day 1, I can look at the student edition, so I can look at their book. Now, these are generally worksheets that might be passed out, but if you want to see what they're doing or some of the ideas of what the phonics is, you can look at those. On Monday, they always tell you the concept of what they're working on, the question of the week. There's decodable readers that the children can read. There's also the spelling and sort cards, so they can go and see what this week is VCCV, basket. They can hear it,
basket,
practice it, show it, and then they can check it off that they've done it. So there's different things like that. There's also cute videos about the character setting theme or whatever the comprehension skill or strategy is. And there's more books that they can read. If they go to day 2, you're going to find more practice. Again, it always starts with the student edition, a different decodable reader. Now it's the review of the spelling cards. And now there's some vocabulary activities. So I want to show you those. So the vocabulary activities are great. You can either do vocabulary cards, which will tell you can listen to it.
bat,
and see the definition, a sentence, synonyms, word family, and keep going through those. There's also several other activities: poetry mix-up, time trivia, save the word, word unscramble. So these are all helping get that key vocabulary. Students can also write. So during the journal, they can use these different words in sentences. So they're practicing typing as well as using the words correctly and writing good sentences. And there's also the short answer, which is about comprehension. So do they understand? And like I said, some teachers may assign these things or certain pieces, or it also could be just practicing the reading, or if your child is sick, that way they're not behind from missing a day. So then it just goes on. There's more Grammar Jammer, which is a grammar video. So different things that the child can do on here. So this is more practice for them that they can find, and lots of good information. So it helps to reiterate what we are doing in class. So thank you.